A complete wash bay design starts with determining the goals: how much water can be recycled, size and type of equipment to be washed. Washing equipment is selected. The largest piece of equipment must be determined, making sure the wash pad size will accommodate everything you'll be washing. An initial layout is developed, showing the big picture with the components selected. Attention is then paid to the finer details of the design, including water collection, solids removal, filtration or recycling, washing systems, hose handling, and remote stations. Electrical and plumbing layouts allow enough information for tradesmen to bid the job. Heavy-duty solids removal starts with high-volume monitors located up on the catwalks and at ground level. Washing continues from ground level using handheld water cannons. Finally, detail washing is performed with hot, high-pressure washing systems. Maintenance is fast. After removing heavy debris with a loader or skid steer, water cannons finish up. Together, we will complete a wash bay design providing collection, solids removal, and the washing equipment you require. Contact us at hydroblaster.com.